All right, hey everyone, it is that nap time, hustle time. So it's time to get working on your business. And this week in the Biz Runners, our theme is, hold on, I can see myself on my computer, get that better. Our theme is simplifying. So simplifying your content, simplifying your graphics, simplifying your work week. You're going to hear us popping in with tips about this all week. So let's talk about your content. How many of you sit down, you go to write your content, you're getting in that creative space and you're like, what do I say? I have so much to say. Where do I even start? Do I add a graphic? Do I not add a graphic? Do I add emojis? Do I add GIFs? Do I like my font? Do I change my font? Does this need my logo? Does it not need my logo? What am I going to say? What should I promote? Who should I talk to? Should I ask a question? Okay, literally, like, if that's you, leave a 1 in the comments. So if that's you, leave in the 1 in the comments, and I should put that too. So if you feel overwhelmed, hi Karen, thanks for watching, in your content, I have some tips for you. Okay, and this is what we do for all of our clients. This is where we start, and every single one of them is like, oh my gosh, why did I think of this? This frees me up. This gets my creative juices flowing. And even if they don't stick with maybe something we've scheduled for them or suggested, it gets their brain working in that direction, right? Karen, that's me. That was me yesterday. It took me 2 hours to write my content. Horrible. Okay, so have you thought about doing weekly or daily themes? And that doesn't mean that for the rest of your life, you're doing a Motivation Monday. When I started in the fitness business, it was told to us, Motivation Monday, Tasty Tuesday, Workout Wednesday. I forget what Thursdays was, and I forget what Fridays was. But I felt like lock jammed, like I had to do that. Every single Monday, I had to post a motivating thing. And then I was just like, I'm not motivated though. What if I didn't work out Wednesday? What do I do then? So you're not set in stone with it. But again, it gets you going on the right path. So let me tell you about what we do, and then I'll give you some suggestions for your own business. So what we do and what we tell our clients is like, okay, go through and think about your ideal client, who you're speaking to, who are they, what are they, who do you want buying your programs, your services, all that stuff. And then think about, okay, like, why do people come to you? Why do people hop on your page or in your group? What do they get from you? What do they like to get from you? And if you don't know, you need to poll your audience. But we will do a weekly theme in our business, like this week is simplifying. And then we will do daily themes. So let me give you an example. Right now, we might be doing Monday motivation. I'm not sure. We've done Biz Tip Tuesday, and we don't publicize it like it's time for your Biz Tip Tuesday. You can do that, but you don't have to. You don't have to be locked into this. But it helps you from, oh my gosh, it's Tuesday morning. I need to post something. I have to post something because I have to stay consistent. That's the main thing, is that we want to stay consistent on social media. And when life happens, when you were up late at night with a sick kid, or when you are running an errand all day, or when you're just having a day with your family, you don't want to be hopping on spur of the moment. You can. And when you schedule things ahead of time, and when you have that content laid out, when you know, okay, I know that every Tuesday night I need to promote my program. Every Wednesday I'm posting a testimonial, just a broad idea, then you can get specific. And then you can jump on and say, man, I had this great experience out with my kids, and here's how it relates to my business. And here's how it speaks to my ideal client. So yes, your graphics matter. Yes, your font matters, all that stuff, but don't get tied up in that. Less is more. Speak to the struggles of your ideal client, tell your story, break down your story. Take your entire entrepreneurial story, your entire life story, break it down, write it out, and then take pieces of it and share it. So let me just give you an example for themes to think about. If you're a health, fitness, wellness professional, you could do a weekly theme of inspiration. I'm reading, this is my latest blog post, so you can go read it there, but you could do a week of inspiration, share motivating tips, quotes, share your favorite workouts. That could be your whole week, different things. Your favorite workout clothes. Week 2 could be, this is in a month, share your favorite products. That kind of goes along, but share your favorite ingredients, your favorite, like maybe sneaky ingredients that nobody, like turmeric or something like that, into making nutritional food. Week 3, engagement. Ask your audience. You want your readers to feel like it's not just you speaking. You want them to contribute. The best Facebook groups and pages that I'm in, or Instagram things that I follow, people, not the host, are engaging, are commenting, are posting, and other people are responding back. The best Instagram people I follow are responding back to every single comment. Yeah, they're putting great stuff out there, but they are responding to every single little comment. Okay, so week 3, engagement. Ask your audience their biggest struggle in eating or working out. Encourage them to go live with a topic or question. And then week 4, maybe you go live every day. You go every day, you go live, and you address your clients' biggest needs and hot topics from the month. Take a blog post and talk about it. That's what I'm doing. So that's for health and wellness professionals. Let's talk about if you are a makeup, skincare, hair person. I know like Kristen works with a luxury hairline. So, and again, like she has to combine 2 businesses, and that can be really hard if you're a multi-entrepreneur. So how do you combine, like Karen, I know that you are too, like you have fitness, and then I know you do the CPA thing. So like sometimes that's hard to speak to your ideal client if they are 2 different people, but like there's always a way to blend them. There's always a way that you can speak to both of them, because really, like if you are in business, fitness business, and you sell makeup or you sell skincare or something like that, like you're in a self-care business. Yeah, you're in self-care. So you would talk all about self-care. 1 week could be self-care. Okay, so makeup, skincare, hair could be week 1, daily routine. Show your audience what a 5-minute face looks like, what a 10-minute face looks like, 10-minute hair, 5-minute hair, 20-minute hair. Highlight some products. Week 2, highlight your style. Style your hair different ways each day. Different makeup. Encourage your audience to try out and document that. So again, you're showing them the way it goes, and then you're saying, hey, join me in this. You guys post about this. Week 3, tips and tools. Share your best curly hair trick, your under eye regimen, makeup you love on a budget. Week 4, go natural. So encourage your community to wear their fresh face and go makeup free. If you're a business coach, week 1, you do highlights. You highlight testimonials, insights on your signature program. You break down your signature program and talk about it. Week 2 could be a day in the life. So maybe Monday you talk about what your breakfast routine looks like. Tuesday you're talking about your after school activities. Wednesday, and so forth and so forth. So take a big macro theme and then break it down. Maybe in week 3, and this is just not business coaches, you could offer a free consult or audit on a Facebook Live for potential clients. That's a good way to get your audience involved and get them viewing, oh, me. Week 4, powerful tips. Share your latest and greatest business tips in your area of expertise. So here's your goal. If you get stuck on content, come up with a macro theme for the month or for the week or for the day. Like maybe you're going to talk about breakfast all day. Maybe you're going to talk about breakfast all day. Breakfast for dinner. Why protein is important. Carb loading. I don't know. And then break it down. Because sometimes I think we sit down and we think, oh, I've already said that. Or someone's already said that. Or they don't want to see this again. Yes, they do. They are in your group for a reason. They've come to you for a reason. They need to see something 9 to 10 times. I think it's 9 to 10, 9 to 12 times before they will be like, yes, like they will take, not that they will take you seriously, but that's like to grow that know, like, and trust factor. So what are your monthly, daily, weekly themes? What are topics that people come to you for? And so when I think about us, when I think about like themes, or I think about, I'm going to sit down, what do I want people to know about the Biz Runners? Okay, I want they want to know systems. They want to know strategy. They want to know like how to run their business. We work in running a little bit because that's important to us. We work in coffee. We work in craft beer. We work in, sometimes I work in Kristen's luxury hair care products because we both use them, or Kristen uses them too, Kristen, our VA. So like that's something that our team is about. So what are you about? Create those themes, and just like today, just start writing down theme ideas. See what happens. Brain dump. I started doing this. Keywords associated with us, I was like Starbucks, business friends, inspire, computer lab, like physical things, but then also like characteristics. Write those down. Maybe your theme is gratitude. Maybe your theme is, like Karen, I'm thinking about you. Maybe it's like tax time tips, or like, how to, because I know what I do for that in my business. I don't do it because it overwhelms me. Like think about those things that your ideal client struggles with, make them your themes. Okay. And if you're just joining me, hop on the blog. I wrote out weekly themes for 4 different industries. So I did health and wellness, professionals, business coaches, clothes and fashion blogger, and then makeup, skin, and hair. And there's so much more. So if I didn't cover your industry, if I didn't give you any ideas and you're like, I still have no idea what to say, or I hop on every day and I'm like, I don't know what to say, leave a message below. Let's brainstorm. Because we work with so many different clients that there is a theme for you. There are themes for you to just dumb it down. Okay? I don't want to say dumb it down, but to just simplify it. So you're not like, oh, well, I guess I'll just post this. I guess I'll post this. I do this in my fitness business. Kristen does it in her running business, and we do it for the biz runners. You'll notice that every Tuesday we do a coffee chat. Every Wednesday we're welcoming new people. Every Friday we're featuring something. And this week's, our theme is to simplify. Simplify, simplify. Okay? You are probably thinking more about your content than your clients are, and that your ideal audience is. Because you got to catch them and then they're gone. So don't overthink it. Simplify what you're doing. Start with themes. It'll stress you out less. Okay? I'm going to leave this blog post. I'm going to post this beneath this so you guys, if you would rather read it. But yeah, go there, check it out. We are going to be helping people do this in the Biz Runners Academy. So if you want to join, I want to make sure that there's the blog. I want to make sure I talk about that because that is open right now. We have 2 different levels. So basically level 1 is $27 a month. It's a membership portal, group, site. I don't know how you say it. So it is $27 a month. That's where you get all of our templates. You get a coaching call with us where we're like, okay, it's basically like if you were our client, but you only have to pay $27 a month. Pretty sweet. And it's also for VAs too, because I'm a VA and a lot of times my insight in the business world makes me more valuable to people. So if you want to be a VA or you're looking into that, this is a perfect way to start. The level 2 is $47 a month. You get everything from level 1, except we have guest experts that are going to come in. You get to promote your services to other members in the group, and you're going to get a live Q&A with our guest expert. And our guest expert's topic, I'm not going to release their name yet because we're still working out the details, but the topic for April, it starts April 2nd, is graphics. Like, we're going to be doing a graphic audit, hopefully. We're going to be doing how to create graphics that convert, how to not spend hours and hours creating graphics. Because again, you're overcomplicating it. We want to simplify. That's the name of the game. Okay, so the Biz Runners Academy membership thing, I don't know what you call it. It's open. We're so excited. We've never felt better about anything else we've done in our business. We're so excited. So that's open. Go write down your theme ideas. And again, if you have no idea, if you're like, I sell jewelry, or maybe you're starting with Beachbody, I don't know, and you don't know where to start, like, well, what do I do besides workouts? What do I do besides just showing the jewelry? Send me a message. Send me a message right now. I would love to brainstorm with you, okay? This is what we do, and we're so excited about it. So send me a message, and we'll brainstorm some topics, all right? So read the blog post, sign up for the Academy. It's going to be awesome. All right, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. I will catch you tomorrow.